2-ton. It's a 14-inch return. The supply plenum is only 18 inches long, so it actually goes supply plenum, and then I got a 14 coming off of it, because I don't want the air to back up, especially for heating. So it works really well. I got the drain here, pan. The unit is working like a champ. That duct there is the outside air, pulling in fresh air. "14-inch return air, 14-inch return air on a 2-ton, 14-inch supply air." Alrighty, I got this. This is a 2-ton heat pump up and running. So this one I vacuum like I always do. This one I had trouble vacuuming, and I suspect that the valves are leaking because I couldn't find a leak. And I pull a vacuum on all my units the exact same way. So, and now I have it charged, and my subcooling is like 1, and my line set is only 10 feet, so I'm low on charge. So I think those valves leaked, the service valves. But the best I could get on it was 1100. So I had to go with it. But I think we had leaky service valves.